Hi, welcome back. My name is Carrie Waltz, and I like to share tips, tools, and techniques to help the artist and things that have helped me. And one of the things that has been just beneficial for me recently is being able to teach a class at Redux Art Retreat in Wildacres, which is actually at Wildacres Retreat Center. Kind of sounds confusing, but it was wonderful. So treat yourself to a class and consider coming there next year. I'm going to be going back either 2 weeks in July or one in July and one in October. But this year I taught watercolor journaling, and I know I'll be teaching that again next year. So if you want to find out more information about when I teach a class, you can look down below. I will always include my website, and you can sign up and be a subscriber there. I don't send out much, and I won't hound you. And you could get updates on when I teach class. And Wildacres Retreat Center, I'll also enter the link down there and possibly up above if I can. And you can find out what other things they offer as well. It's a great place. It's right off the Blue Ridge Parkway near Little Switzerland. And the video that you will see after I get off here is going to be snippets of the 2 weeks that I was up there. And if you haven't gotten away and given yourself a decent escape from life, this is a great way to do it. The cell service is limited up there, which is probably a good thing to get away from that. And the beauty is unending. So think about signing up and even looking for other options that they offer or somewhere in your area. The price was less than $900, all inclusive, class, workshop, lodging, food. So not bad for a week. So anyway, hope you enjoy the video and consider taking a class from me in the future. Have a great day.